Okay. 0 days. Great. Click save. Click log stream under overview. Click save. Swipe to save. Click log stream under overview. Go to the overview. Is it? Status, default, operating plan, web app hosting, deployment center, view logs. Okay, let me check. Oh, click log stream under overview in the sidebar to view the application. Okay, not this one. Okay, log stream. Okay. Refresh the production web app browser tab to generate some logging activity. Okay, so this is the production one, the normal web app. So if you just refresh it, say like this is in here, right? 1747. Let's just refresh it again. Is there any chances? Wait. Okay, it should have been connected, but why aren't we? Yeah, surely we have some logs. But I'm not satisfied with the logs we should have, isn't it? Surely connected. I don't have problem with that. Welcome, you are now connected to log streaming service. The default is timeout is 2 hours. Change the timeout with app settings. Log stream timeout. Okay. Should have, isn't it? Okay, that's. Oh, it was slow. It was working, but it's slow. Okay. Wait, so it was slow, but it was working. So it was slow a bit, but yeah. Just refreshing it multiple times so that I can generate some good amount of logs. That's something I would read off. But yeah, it will pop up here, but it will take some time. Okay. You can see it's basically doing some things, but yeah, let's wait for that. But meantime, wait up to a minute to verbose application logs to appear in the streaming log. So yeah, it takes time. Okay, application logs are useful when you have added logging message to application. In the image above, only server request logs are displayed. Okay, you may also see ASP netcode logs that are automatically transmitted by this application. The logs are written in the batches. Okay, click web server logs in the log stream blade to switch to view web server logs. So these are application logs. Okay, you can see now it has increased. Okay, now web server logs. Okay, so refresh the production web page, production web app browser tab, and wait up to a minute. So it takes some time. So again, so it will all again populate with that. Okay, in Azure, following. Scroll down to the support plus troubleshoot section 2 of the sidebar menu and click resource health. It takes some time, but you know it will be here. Yeah, resource health. If Azure detects that everything is okay with your app service results, you should see a report similar to the following: available, what actions to take. Let's see. Yes, available, health history available, and so on. That's good. Everything is okay. So yeah, health history tracks the resource health over the past 4 weeks. Okay, 4 weeks. Basically, because the web app has not existed that long, there is only 1 day in the report. If there were any detected issues, you would see error. Okay, so you can see on this day 13th, so or the specific day when we can create this one, so the history is available for here. Okay, problem troubleshoot tools. Okay, I think that is it, isn't it? We have talked about lots of steps, so let's move on. And we have just the final one, which is application insights. So let's talk about this one. So application insights is an application performance management service, APM. Some of the features of application insights include the ability to find and diagnose performance issues, find the diagnose runtime exceptions, monitor and alert on application health, analyze customer users, and so on. So here the instructions in the search bar at the top of the Azure portal, enter app insight, click inside application insights under services. Okay, just come up here, application insights, and insights, and create one. We will create one. Previously when we were creating our app, we didn't actually create an application insight. Okay, now we are going to create one. Okay, application insights, great. Resource group should be the same one, name should be inside, and we will keep it into the same region, same resource group, name, and wait, South Central US. Okay, it will work because there's some, like, we had some space in the beginning. So South Central US, same location, where the resource group is the same resource group, and so on. Okay, review and create. Wait, log analytics workspace. Select the workspace beginning with space. Yes, yeah, log analytics. This one, South Central US. It was created for this one. This is the web app we had. Okay, review and create. And then we will create this one. Okay, so once complete, return to the production web app and onto the app blades sidebar. Click on application insight under the settings. Okay, once done, we will go. Let's wait for that. I think we're done almost. Microsoft applications overview, yeah, done. Not truly, but yeah, it will be like, you'll see, yeah, deployment succeeded, deployment is in progress, so yeah, done. So now if we go to the app services, we have our production app. Within that, if you just go to application insight under the settings, if you go application insights, great, turn on application insights, and in the application insights from under the link to an application insight resource, click the select existing resource button. Existing resource, turn on application insights. We've done that. Enable, disable. So new resource name, let's check this out. Select existing resource. Okay, create new resource. We don't want to do that for sure. Select existing resource, great. And subscription, no issues, but from under link to an application insight resource, select existing resource button. Done that. Top 511 resources, select the app, this one. Yeah, we are selecting this one. Okay, is it selected? I think it is. It is automatically, it should be. Let's press this, click apply and click yes. So we are choosing, we just created this insight and we are connecting that with our app service. This is in the production level. So that was in our production level, and we created another one with our staging. So this was for the staging purpose. So we have connected this with insight basically. Okay, Click on the view application inside data link. Is it done yet? Yeah, inside data. Okay, so after that overview bled, and you see failed request 0. These are the things we will see. Let's see. Failed is request 0. Server response time is not here yet. Server request availability. These are the things. Basically, this insight is basically using our metrics and so on. Okay. Refresh the production web apps browser tab and click on few of the different links in the header to generate some request data. Okay. So what you can do, we can come to here and refresh. We can go to home, we can go to privacy, the app, and home again. We're just basically trying to do something, and we're expecting to see some changes out here. Is okay, let's give it some time. Okay. Okay, click on search in the command bar location above of the essential drop down. Search. The search function lets you quickly search through traces, request logs, page views, exceptions, and other types of data application sites. Enter home in the search bar. So these are the things we can see. 158, 150. These are the things on these. Okay, now you can see page view. These are all what happened here. Okay, page view, exception traces, and so on. It allows us to do it. Scan through the results to see what kind of information can easily be searched through. Go back to overview page and click on logs in the menu bar. Overview. Here now you see failed request days, server response time days, server request availability, a lot of things that has changed, right? So that's good for us, isn't it? Close the internal welcome window first and then close. Double click page views. Wait a second. Click on logs. Okay. Overview. And yeah, it should be logs. So we just need to delay that. No issues. And now you see. Double click on page views. The page views, it just appears out here. Click run. Okay, so ID, homepage, this link, duration, performance bucket, and so on. Everything like the page view when we did, it is exactly out here. The results are shown in the table in the lower half of the page. Click chart to see chart view of the result. Timestamp. Okay, click chart formatting on the right side of the chart and make the following changes. Chart formatting on the right side. Chart formatting right side, we did that. Change the x-axis from timestamp to name and do it to name, and change the y-axis from duration to item count. Then from change the split by from ID to URL. Okay, so you can see this one. This chart can be configured as part of the query itself, but that is outside of scope of this lab. Okay, no issues. In the sidebar menu, click on performance under the investigate. Performance under the investigate. We just come up here. We were not supposed to save that though. Now here the overall operation is selected by default. Overall is selected by default. Yeah, you can see a lot of stuff's happening. Let's close the application says split. Done. I think we are done with that. Okay, now let's just check this out. The insights done. So that was it. We have learned a lot of stuffs, right? We did learn about how we can work with a lot of stuffs. We have basically worked with app service plan. We have basically created an app. We have then if you just talk it about like app service plan, we created an web app, then we staged it, then we created a deployment and web app using the deployment slots. You saw from the deployment slot we had staging, and from there we just uploaded a zip, and we created our, like, we had some changes, so that was a web app, and we just monitor our web apps, and then we use application insights to get some insights. Like now we submitted it, and that is it. So thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you understand a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and feel free to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, see you in a